This guide targets a portable outdoor solar camera whose power button won't wake, offering clear first steps. Safety first, disconnect power, wear an ESD strap and gather a spudger, precision screwdriver, multimeter, and isopropyl alcohol. Open the case, locate the power switch trace, and test continuity with the unit off to confirm. Repair a damaged trace by bridging with fine copper and reseating the button, then reassemble and power on. If it still fails, check MCU rails and firmware, document steps, and prepare spare parts for future repairs.